Alright guys, time for my mixing. I really don't have to show this because everybody already knows how this works. 75 potassium nitrate, 15 carbon, and 10% sulfur. Those numbers aren't in stone. You can do it differently. I'm just going to use this glass mixing bowl. Nothing I'm using is toxic, so I don't mind using a glass bowl that I'm going to clean. I've got my stuff marked separately in different containers. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to zero out the scale with my bowl, put it in there. So I'm going to make half a pound, so that'll be 6 ounces of potassium nitrate, 1.2 ounces of my charcoal, and 0.8 ounces of sulfur. So I'm going to zero it out, and then turn it off. Get it in there, and then I'll show you what I do from there. Alright, we're in the ball mill. Nothing much to see here. I'm just using a 690 round ball. I think I only got like 6 or 7 in there, so you could probably do better with many more than that, but that's just what I have. I've done it for a couple hours before, but I wasn't too impressed, so this time I'm going to go somewhere between 4 to 8 hours and see how that works. So just going to let it sit there for a while. Of course, they're pure lead balls. Don't use powder coat, glass, or anything else. Let's try a little green mix. 8 hours of ball mill time. Ooh. Looks pretty good. Of course, it'll be better after granulation. We'll see how that works.